Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Champions League app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, then you come here to Predictor. Just click in this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here Predictor enable with us now. So that's all you have to do to enable your Predictor on your notifications on your Champions League app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.